Hi, this is Andrew Chamberlain, and this is my week 11 project, which was a team project that we built that uses imports, a driver, and it shows basic skills of integers, strings, and vowels, stuff like that. So right here, this is my driver, because we were supposed to build a driver, so this is my driver. It's just called a driver, and all that's in here is just instances and just calling to the actual programs that are actually doing all this stuff. So right here is my driver. This program runs all the files that I need to. It looks pretty clean and simple and to the point. So right now I'm going to show you what all the classes look like and what they do. So the net first one is it a palindrome? So this one's going to check for palindrome. First, it's going to ask you to give it a word, and then it's going to flip that word, print it out, and then either print out congratulations, the word is a palindrome, or congratulations, or sorry, it's not. So this is the first one that it runs, and then the second one is going to count words. So right here is just a simple file reader, and then it's going to read the file, and all it does is read each word. So the sc dot next is what is going to read onto the next word. It's going to go from break to break, and that's going to increase the counter every time it does that. So that's why it gives the correct number of words, or I mean, yeah, correct number of words per file. And then for the next one, the vowel counter is this one right here. So the vowel counter is pretty easy. Again, it's another scanner which is going to read the file, and then it's going to use the has next function to create a character array. And in that character array, it's going to compare all the characters, and it's going to do a for loop, which is going to compare all the characters to vowels. And if those certain cases are met in the instance of the vowel, so for instance, if the word was and, the first letter A would increase that counter, and then it would go to the next one and say it's N. Doesn't matter, so it's not going to do that. Then it's going to go to D. Doesn't matter, so it's not going to do that one. So it essentially just continues to go on and on and on and on and on. So all this does right here is take all this content, put it into an array, and then checks it through this array through a for loop. And then it prints out how many vowels you have. So right now I'm going to show you what the program looks like when it runs. I'm going to show you an instance of when it is a palindrome and when it is not. So if I run it right now, it's going to ask me to give a word. So I'm going to give it a palindrome, so I'm going to tell it it's a race car. So it's gonna print it out backwards, which is race car, and it says congratulations. The word is race, or the word is a palindrome. Next one, number of words is 266. So the file and the file also has 383 vowels. So the file that we are running is actually this called the Charge of the Light Brigade. So this is all of the vowels that are in it, and this is all the words that are in it, which is actually 266 if you put it into Word, and then all the vowels count in the right. So this is my basic week 11 program that I built with my team.